Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this JBL headphones. It's by Harman, as you can see. The model number is Tune 510BT, as you can see guys. It has a battery which lasts for 12 hours. As you can see, it has a fast pair which is supported by, I think it's Google, and it has active noise cancellation. As you can see guys, this is the box. I think the box is fine. It comes in these different colors. I don't think this some kind of blue. Don't know which color is this. We have black and we have white. So guys, let us unbox and see what is inside or how it looks inside, guys. Now let us start opening the package is very nice, to say the truth. As you can see, it's very nice. And I heard this is maybe fake. I don't know. You can tell me on the comment below if you think this is fake. I don't know if it's fake. And for the price, I bought it for, I think it was like $20, I think. That is how I bought it. Now guys, these are the headphones, and telling you the truth, I think these are fake. They are not original, as you can see, because for what I have seen for many of these JBL headphones, this is supposed to be like an orange, this charging port, and the packaging, I don't think this is the real packaging. The package of these JBL, they are very nice, so I think this may be fake, to say the truth. But anyway, let's check them out, how they are. These are the headphones, guys. You cannot tell, and when you are wearing them, you cannot tell this from the original one. For me, I think these are fake, and you can see this is type USB, micro USB, and for what I have seen, most of these they use type C. If I'm not mistaken, they use type C. So we have some buttons here. This is for on and off, and mode, you can switch modes with this one. Then we have charging port. We have, I think this is mic. Then we have aux, for aux if you want to use aux. We have another, I think this may be also mic. Then we have some button here if you are playing music. We have forward and reverse, and they are used for volume, minus, and when you want to increase. Then we have this one. You can see this one is for pause. If you want to pause and play, then it is still acts as if you want to pick up the call, or if you want to drop the call. But for the look of them, they are not very bad, as you can see, guys. Apart from these cones, they somehow look small. If you have big ears, if I can say that, I don't know if I will put it like that. But after all, you cannot differentiate when you are wearing if they are fake, guys. But I think they are nice. And for the people with the broader head, or I don't want to say big head, you can, as you can see, you can extend and you can retract. So they are just like a normal JBL headphones, but I think they are nice. So for what I can see, the cushion here, the cushion is very nice. If you can see here, the cushion is not that bad, and you can tilt like this if you want to put on your bag, so that they can fit on your bag. We have some cushion again here, which is very nice. So for the people who want to buy this one, which if you are on tight budget, I think they could be nice. But let us first try the sound, so that we can hear how they sound, guys. But let us switch them on first. Now I think this is LED for telling you is on. As you can see, it's connecting, searching for Bluetooth devices. And I think this, as you can see, I think this is mic, and then we have some LED here. So let us connect and see how they sound. So to connect, let us go to Bluetooth because they support Bluetooth. And to look at this, you can still connect your wired if you have a aux cable, you can still connect them. And these are the headphones T510. So let us connect. It's pairing, so let us wait. Yes, as you can see, so let us pair. Yes, there I have paired. So let me play a music here so that we can hear how they sound. And guys, imagine subscribing is free, so don't forget to subscribe if you are enjoying my video, and turn on that notification so that you can notified when I upload a new video. Wow guys, they sound very good guys. You cannot imagine how they sound. They are pure bass, as you can hear guys. Let me put somewhere near. Wow guys, they sound very clear and the bass is very nice. So let me see if we can reduce the volume. Yes guys, you can reduce and you can go forward with these buttons. Let me show you. You can reduce here. As you can see, we have let's try if you can reduce the volume using this. Yes, as you can see guys, you can reduce and still you can increase the volume, so you can see that. And then if you can go next, if you want to go next, you can still go next, but because I have some music here which can cooperate it, what do we call it, they have copyright, so I will not go next. But what I can say guys, they are very nice. This one you cannot differentiate them from the original guys. As you can see, even when you are wearing, no one will ever tell you they are fake. But I don't know, my guts, I don't think no one will ever tell if these are fake when you are wearing them. You are the only one which you will tell. And the price is very good guys. For $20, the price is very nice. And also you can compare them with we have the P47. This one are very nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, and I will catch you on my next one.